how to add Google reviews to your Wix website for free in just a few simple steps. First, go to your Wix website editor and open the page where you want your Google reviews to appear. On the left-hand side, click the search bar and type HTML or embed code. When you see it appear in the options, click Add to Site. A small box will appear on your page where you can enter code. Now, go to Google My Business and get your Google Reviews embed code. This usually comes from a free tool or directly from Google. Paste that code into the HTML box in Wix. Once you've added it, click Apply, and your Google Reviews will appear right on your website. You can move or resize the box so it fits perfectly with your page design. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Reviews to your Wix website for free. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tips.